Hey everyone, Adam and Maria here, Fitness Together Burlington, going to take us through the Adductor Rock. So we're going to start this position from an all fours base. So in this instance, Maria is going to start here with her left leg. So what I'm going to have Maria do is I'm going to have her bring that left leg out as far as she can get. Foot flat, toe facing forward. Now, from this position, she's going to use her hands to gently push her hips straight back toward the wall behind her. She's going to look to find a nice stretch through the inner groin of that outstretched leg. So, as a progression from this position, we can look to walk this leg out wider and allow that opposite side leg to start to open up towards like a baby splits position. Again, this is going to diminish your range of motion as things will be under more stretch, but you will also find a much greater stretch in that groin region. Again, do this for about 10, 12 reps and switch sides. Again, this has been Adam and Maria here at Fitness Together Burlington.